Look how rich that looks. Isn't that pretty? And it's really sucking this varnish right up. Doesn't that look spiffy? Well, she's really soaking in though. See that? That's the side I just did. Here's the side I did first. I'm going to do both coats on these before I mount the hinges on them. Well, I'm going to let these doors dry overnight. I'm just going to wrap my brush up in a little bit of plastic here. We'll be back tomorrow and we'll get some more varnishing done on these doors. I'm going to start putting the hinges on these doors. And all I'm going to do is eyeball this on the back. I know these are evenly spaced. It's where I wanted the hinges, so I'm just going to fold that in like that. Tighten it over like that. And we'll put the screws in. Then I'll get the other hinges on. Okay, we're ready to get those hung. And let's go ahead and hang the two middle ones. Pretty simple. All we need are a couple shims and our screws. And we're going to put the shims right in here like that. And I'm going to use the fat end out towards me. Like that. And we're going to set the door right on there and adjust it left and right. And try to get the reveal as best we can. Okay. I think that's going to be good right about there. I'll start a screw. Get this one where we want it. I know she's not touching on the bottom. She looks good across the top. She looks good there. And that reveal there looks good. Just got to hold it now while I tighten that screw in. Kick those shims out of the way. Looks pretty good. let's get the rest of those screws put in. I think that looks pretty nice. I got one more. Oh, I just can't wait to get all these tools out of here. I keep moving them around. I keep saying I don't want to put them away. I might need them. Next thing we have to do is get a stop right back here, and then we'll put our little latches on. Got some neat little latches, little barn door like latches. Right, I'm gonna finish up the cabinet doors today. Yeah, they're pretty neat. You have to pull it this way to lift it up. You have to get it past like a little locking little system here. Put it down, and you can drop it that way, and they can't open. So you have to pull them this way, then lift it. So we're gonna put one here on this door. I got these two middle doors meeting in the middle, so we're gonna have to figure out something to do there, because they can't be together, obviously. So we're gonna have to figure out something how to space those there. Then we'll put this one on down here, matched up with this other one on the other side. It's just the two in the middle that we're going to have to play around with. Maybe I'll put it like that. I'll be able to do that. Just make sure it works. Is there enough room there? Yeah. I'll center it. I'll put that point right with that point. Like that. Now the one that moves will be on this door. So I don't want to, I could put it like that. And you have to bring it out here to lift it up. So I have to back it up this way, because you do have to move this. You can see it right here. I have to bring it in to move it. So I can't put it too far. How about right there? There. Yeah, I like that. The door's locked there. You gotta pull it out this way. Huh, I like that. There. Now, see how I did that? I put that point right here with this point. So now I can go over there and do the other door over here. I got the other latch on the other door. Now I'm looking at the middle two doors here. And I think what I'm gonna do is we're gonna go from the center. We're gonna line that latch up right here with the center of these two over here. foot there. Hey, thanks for coming along on the video. I really appreciate it. If you could you hit that like button, leave a comment, share with your friends and families. Don't forget to hit that notification bell. Don't want to miss the next video in the log cabin build. We'll see you on the next one. Hope you guys have a great day. Bye-bye.